Hello to all students. Today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is axitry system. Axitry system. Once again, today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is axitry system. First of all, means of excretion or definition of excretion. Students, excretion is a body system in which the waste products generated by the body cells are disposed out of the body. Once again, excretion is a body system in which the waste product, it means residual product, it means harmful metabolic product generated by the body cells are disposed by the body. Next is excretory substance of human. Students, in humans, many excretory substances are generated, are produced by the metabolic activities. First is ammonia in tiny amount, production of ammonia. Next, urea, maximum amount urea produced by humans, so human is ureotelic. Next, tiny amount is uric acid and CO2. Next is definition of excretory system. Excretory system, it means group of organ. These group of organs are related to excretion and proper binded. These organs proper binded and forms a specific system, excretory system. Once again, system, it means group of organs. These organs related to excretion and they are proper binded and forms a specific system. It is called excretory system. The emission of accumulated nitrogenous waste a special mechanism called the excretory system. Next are nitrogenous waste or types of nitrogenous waste. Next topic is types of nitrogenous waste. Mostly three types of nitrogenous waste in the organisms. First is ammonia. Students, it is a nitrogenous waste. First is animals or organisms, animals which excrete ammonia are called aminotelic. Next, excessive water. Important point of aminotelic is excessive water is required for the excretion of ammonia, because ammonia is a poisonous or more harmful nitrogenous substance. For example of aminotelic is bonificage. It means some fishes endoskeleton made by bone, they are called bonificage. Next, aquatic insect. Next, amphibian like tadpole larva. Once again, example of aminotelic is bonificage. Some fishes endoskeleton made by bones, so they are called bonificage. Some aquatic insect. Next, amphibians like tadpole larva. Next is urea. Students, it is a nitrogenous oxidatory substance or it is a nitrogenous waste. Next is animals which excrete urea are called ureotelic. Ureotelic. Like examples, first in mammals like human, cattle. Next is marine fishes or sea fishes. It means some fishes are found in saline area. It means high salt area. Third is uric acid. Students, it is nitrogenous substance. Animals which excrete uric acid are called uricotelic. Like examples, birds. Next is reptiles. Next is terrestrial insect like cockroach. Next is excretory system of human. Students, human excretory system made by many excretory organs like first is excretory organs divided in two categories. First is main or primary excretory organ. Second is accessory excretory organ. First, main or primary excretory organ is kidney, other name renal. Students, in humans, main or primary excretory organs is kidney or renal. Next, number of kidney in normal human is 1 pair. It means 2. Next, shape of kidney is Rajma shape structure. Next, origin in mesoderm. It means kidney is mesodermal structure. Next is location, both side of vertebral column. Next, structural and functional unit of kidney is nephron. Once again, origin of kidney is germ layer mesoderm. It means kidney is a mesodermal structure in origin. Next, number 1 pair, it means 2. Next, shape, it means bean shape of Rajma shape. Next is location, towards of vertebral columns. Next, structural and functional unit of kidney is nephron. Students, it is a primary or main reproductive, it is a main or primary excretory organs because kidney to filters the urea from human blood, so it is primary excretory organ. Next, accessory excretory organs is First is ureters, second is urinary bladder, third is urethra. Once again, accessory excretory organs. It means these organs did not filter the urea from blood, but help in transport of urea, store of urea, and next releasing outside the body. First, ureter, it is excretory reproductive organs. Numbers 1 pair, it is a tube-like structures. Next, urinary bladders, it is a numbers 1, it is a bladder-like structures. In this accessory excretory organs, temporary storage of urine or temporary storage of human urine. Next, urethra, it is a accessory excretory organs. In these organs, once again, urethra, it is a accessory excretory organs. Next, it is a tube-like structures. Next, human urine come out the urethra part. Next, it is connected to urinary bladder by a specific tube. So students, today's part is completed. First is means of excretion, next excretory substance of humans, next excretory system, next some specific nitrogenous waste like ammonia. It is more harmful because it is more harmful. Second is urea. Human nitrogenous waste material is urea. Third is uric acid. It is less harmful nitrogenous substance. More harmful nitrogenous substance is ammonia, less is uric acid. Next, excretory system of humans. Humans excretory system made by many excretory organs like first man or primary, second is accessory, man is kidney, renal. Next accessory is ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. And in next online class we studied the main and accessory excretory organs in details. So thanks, have a nice